All right, so to help you kind of make this figure that we need to make here when we're looking at these different locations and their elevations above sea level and the air pressure of those elevations, let me show you how to do this in Microsoft Excel. So this is the data set that I provided for you. And the first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and make that figure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to cell B2 and click in it. And then I'm going to select, I'm just going to hold down the mouse button here and select all of these data right here. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on Insert. And let's go to the scatter plot chart and click on the scatter plot one, which is right here. You can see that it makes this figure. Now, the next thing I actually do is to fit a trend line to this. So I'm just going to click on one of these dots. It doesn't matter which one. I'm just going to right click on it. You see I'm given an option here to add a trend line. I'm going to click Add a Trend Line. Excel brings up a Format Trend Line thing over here on the side, and I'm going to choose the exponential one. You can see that it fits an exponential trend line to the data there. Now I need to be able to see the equation, so I'm going to say display the equation on the chart, and I just click on that radio button down there, and here it is. It shows me the equation. But we now need to go into this equation and expand it out so we can see all of the decimal points we need to see. So it's highlighted right now. I still have my format option up here, so if I click on this over here, I can then tell it to make it into a number, and so I just clicked on the drop down menu and went to number, and then told it to go out to seven decimal points. When I do that, I've now expanded everything out to the length that I want. And so what you can see here is I have 1012.5910323, so that's a lot of precision there, times e to the negative 0.001250x. Now, how do we use this? Well, if I wanted to calculate the air pressure where the flying Illini fly, I'm just going to click right here on this cell, and I'm going to use this equation, and this is how I do it. In that cell with it highlighted, I'm going to hit equals so that Excel knows I'm doing a calculation. Then I'm going to type in 1012.5910310323 times EXP, open and close parentheses, and then get inside of those parentheses. You can even do it up here in the toolbar to edit it. And it's going to be negative 0.000125 times whatever is in the B column over there on the left. So I want the altitude in meters, or the elevation in meters for the flying Illini. So I click on that. So it's times B13. And I hit enter. And it tells me that the pressure there is 805 millibars. Now, here's the beauty of Excel. Once I do this once, I can come right over here and just grab the lower right-hand corner of the cell I just did that calculation in and slide it down and do all the rest. And there we're done. So this is what we wanted to be able to do. We want to take a screenshot of this work to show that we know how to do it. And that's it. So hopefully that video kind of helps you figure this one out.